Got it here, Triton Plus base camp camping stove. It's my first time using one of these like suitcases camping stoves. Looks like there's a grabber right here. I was about to say where's the handle. You just bring it out to your table or whatever from your RV or like a truck, and then you just pull this out, and this should be like wind protectors. Where do they like in here? So that's quite nice. The second one right here, very easy, so it protects you from the wind, especially whenever you will be burning it. You don't want it to blow it out with the heavy winds. The fill is gonna go into here, and you wanna probably plug it in this way. You just push it in and screw it on. And those Coleman fill canisters sold at grocery stores, pretty much most of them, at least around where I live. Turn. I see the spark but not lighting up. There you go, finally. Same thing here, we just turn it. There you go, and that's burning too. And how you can tell if it's burning or not, because during the day you won't see the flame. That little red piece will light up red. It kind of indicates that it's actually the burner is on, so that way in the daytime you can see. It's not for grilling, that's for sure, because if you try to drop a steak, it's just like a gas stove at home. It's not going to work. This is more like for boiling water or putting actual skillet on it and cooking the burgers on a skillet. It's highly adjustable. I really love how sensitive it is. It takes a long time to, you see, spin it on maximum, lots of flame, and then you spin it slowly for simmering. It's highly adjustable, high quality. It's still burning right now. You see that little tip is still red. Daytime kind of hard to say. And boom, shut it off all the way. Okay, looking for yourself some kind of outdoor foldable dual fuel burner. There you go. Obviously there's much more foldable ones by like a jet boil, but this is also good stuff right here as well, probably a lot cheaper too. So then you close, fold this up, then you just close this, boom, ready to go. This is quite nice, I like it. Pretty lightweight as well. Got it here, most foldable grill. This thing is amazing. Comes with a pouch, obviously will fit really easily in there. So what you do is unfold it this way. You can put it on the racks, or you can use the legs as well. As you can see, they come off quite a few times. You want it lower, you can set it up on this leg. Want it even lower, closer to the coals, you can set them up this way. Let's demonstrate. Boom. So that way you can closer to the fire or the hot coals. You want to adjust it higher, grab the legs. You know what, I forgot one more thing. It opens up way wider too. So this is like a little transformer over here. So smaller, want to cook on a bigger fire, boom. And if you have a really big fire with lots of coals, you could plug this in and open it even more. This thing is one of a kind. I've been looking for something that can compete with this thing. Nothing can. So again, you want to adjust it lower, make sure it's not hot. Boom. You can cook it closer to the fire. And even closer, obviously, very easy to put it away. And whenever you're ready to put it away, just fold your legs in, push it, this thing together, and just fold this a bunch of times. Wow, that's a grill. This right here is my favorite to-go mug. This is just one of a kind. Whenever you want to close it and open it, lift it and release it all the way, and you can just drink it like a regular mug. So let's put some water in there, see if it's fully waterproof. It's probably not going to be, but let's see. All the way to the top just in case. And then we just lift it. All the liquid stays in there and keep twisting it. Boom. There should be a little hole in here, but I mean, that's like too much of a shakiness. And look at that, no water coming out. That's pretty cool. So to open it, lift it and release it, we're gonna put the straw to it and then lock it. Boom. So, whoa, kind of hard drinking out of it because it's so vacuumed. So what I would do is just open it a little bit so that way the air goes through. Or you can completely open it and drink it like a regular mug. Feels good, like a rubbery part over here. Close it, no water comes out. Open it, water comes out. So pretty interesting and unique. What do you guys think? I think this gadget was on a Shark Tank. This is a rope dispenser. It's pretty cool. The rope is not paracord. It's teaching you to do different knots. I wonder, 120 feet, plenty of rope. That's why it comes with this plastic gadget. It's not very convenient to kind of carry it, so you'd have to throw it into your bug out bag. Cannot hook it on your belt or anything. You kind of just have to bring it with you and hold it. So let's open it. Looks like it's quick release. So you just buy more rope and set it up like this. And it's easy to pull. It doesn't loosen up easily. It's kind of nice. Wow, ultimate tension strain is 1,100 pounds. I cannot believe it. That's crazy. So it's more than paracord 550. Wow, I'm surprised. I thought paracord would be a lot stronger than this. It just looks like a shoelaces. I mean, I guess they tested it. So very unique gadget. Got it here, vintage Coleman heater. As you can see, pretty compact. So let's see what it's all about. This right here like a stand, and then we're just gonna plug it in. Okay, and to turn it on, all we have to do is just twist it on. So I'm gonna use a lighter like this. Okay, burning off some dust. Okay, looks like it takes a while to warm up, that's for sure. Oh yeah, now it's warming up. It's giving off a lot of heat. A lot of those like propane heaters, very loud, quite loud. This one, it does not produce any noise at all. I can hear a little bit of a fizz, that's it. It's on and it sounds really good. It actually feels quite nice to sit outside in a 40 degrees weather right now and actually warming up my nose finally. That's pretty cool. This appliance consumes air. When used in any inside area, provide a fresh air opening at least 6 square inch or 39 square centimeters. Do not use other burning appliances inside. So this is indoor, outdoor. That's kind of cool. Maybe for the tent and things like that. But just use common sense. There is a full instruction how to use it. Obviously for the indoor it's going to build up quite nice and fast. Is it worth it? I would stick with the newer ones. You can buy this on eBay, but I think the newer ones is way more efficient, and they also indoor outdoor use. So pretty awesome. Just make sure you follow all the directions with those kind of propane heaters.